welcome back. If you are tuning in to this lesson, then you have already you've already completed our multiplication do it lesson, and now that you are feeling ready to use it. If you think that actually you did practice some of the do it calculations, but you're not feeling very confident and you'd like to spend a bit more time on that, then that's absolutely fine. Just keep working your way through the do it type questions, and then once you're feeling really confident, you can move on to using it. So today we are still going to be multiplying, but we are going to be solving some word problems that look a bit like this. So I'm going to put my first one up on my board, and then I'm going to read it aloud, and hopefully you'll be able to see the words as well. So it says, a guitar, it's a musical instrument, has 6 strings. How many strings would 3 guitars have in total? Right, the first job that I'm going to do is I'm going to underline what I think are the really important facts. So I know that one guitar has 6 strings, but I haven't got one guitar, I've got 3 guitars. And how many would they have in total? Okay, I'm going to draw an array to help me. I'm going to draw it over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's one guitar. 2 guitars, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 guitars. So actually 6 strings times 3 is, and I'm going to add these up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, if I'd been practicing my 3 times table yesterday, I might have been able to say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. I wonder if any of you could have done that. Right, let's have a look at another one. So here's another question, and I'll read it aloud just like I did before. Okay, it's got a little picture of a teddy bear on this one. And it says, Oscar and his 4 friends have 2 teddy bears each. How many bears are there all together? So once again, I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to underline what I think are the really important facts. So I have Oscar and his 4 friends have 2 teddy bears each. How many bears are there all together? Now, this is a bit of a sneaky question because they're hoping that you're going to see the 4 friends, 2 teddy bears each, 4 times 2, and that you'll work that out. But that's not what it says. It says Oscar and his 4 friends. So actually, I've got 5 children all together. And each of them has 2 teddy bears, so 5 times 2. And now I need to draw an array to help me work that out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I know how to count in my tens, so 5 and 5, that makes 10. Okay. These questions, some of the questions have 2 parts to them. If you feel happy just solving the first part of it, that's absolutely fine, but if you're looking for a bit more of a challenge, then there is a second step to this word problem. I'm just going to have a look at this second step to see what we need to do. Challenge. They decide to give away 3 of them. So they had 10 teddy bears and they decide to give away 3 of them. How many bears are left? That doesn't sound to me like we're multiplying anymore. What do you think we need to do? Is there a word in there that gives me a clue? It's the left, isn't it? How many are there left? And they give them away. So we are taking away, we need to subtract. So we had 10 teddy bears and we take 3 away. I can use my fingers to help me solve this, or because I know my number 1 to 10 really well, I know that 3 and 7 make 10. So the answer is 7. Right, let's have a look at one more of these before we give you a chance to have a go on your own. Here's another one. And this time we've got some sweets in our word problem. It says, there are 7 sweets in a packet. How many sweets will I have if I buy 3 packets? So I have 7 sweets in 1 packet, but I have 3 times that number. So it's 7 times 3. And I'm going to draw an array to help me again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's one lot of 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 2 lots of 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 lots of 7. And in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I have 21 sweeties in 3 packets. Now once again, you can leave the word problem there, but if you're looking for a bit more of a challenge, there is a second step to this word problem. And it says, I eat 1 packet of sweets. So that's not eating 1 sweetie, that's eating 1 packet. How many sweets are there now? Right, so if there are 7 sweets in a packet, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my array and I'm going to take away 1 of those packets. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sweets. And I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 sweets remaining. Right, it's going to be your turn in a moment. You're going to go off. This is our use it task sheet for today, and you've got 4 word problems. They all have a second step to them if you're looking for a bit of an extra challenge. And if you zoom your way through all of that, there's another box down here with Meta, and he says, if you finish early, you could ask an adult to make up some more multiplication word problems for you to solve, or maybe you could try making up some of your own. Can you create your own 2-step word problem? So a problem that has 2 bits to it, 2 parts to it, and we would love to see examples of your own word problems. So please email them in. We would really like to see them. Right, now it's your turn. So off you go. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow for our Own It session.